Dan here for Windows 101. Today we're taking a look at the Unger Classic bucket on a belt. This is the one that started it all. It's got some great features. It's got a swivel. It's going to help keep the bucket upright when you bend down so it doesn't spill out on the floor or on your leg. It's got a quick release, so if you want to drop it real quick, put it back on real easily. You got 3 slots inside for your wand, squeegee, and a little slot for your scraper right there. If you're looking for something to keep your tools organized, help the flow of your work, help you make money and do a great job, this is a good tool. I think you're really going to like it.